Here you can make lists of all the to-dos or tasks that need to be completed. Supplies you need to order, customers you need to contact, pages that still need design, or something as simple as a grocery list. If you want, you can assign specific tasks to people and give them due dates. Those dated to-dos will appear on your project calendar, and any tasks assigned to you will show up on your Me page. You can also attach files directly to a to-do item. Clicking on the title of a list will open it so you can start a discussion about what's on it. Each individual item can also be commented on in this way. When you finish a task, just click the box to mark it as completed. If you make a mistake, click the checkbox again and it'll be added right back to the list. If something needs to be done before the rest of the list, you can change the order of to-dos simply by dragging them around. You can even move entire lists like this. To make finding things easier, all tasks on this page can be filtered by who they're assigned to or when they're due.